Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Lego candle is probably one of the most innovative and fun ways to bring a touch of creativity and warmth into your home, blending the nostalgic joy of building with the cozy ambience of a candle. Imagine not just lighting a candle, but assembling a unique piece of art that doubles as a delightful light source, perfect for sparking conversation and adding a personalized flair to any room, making it an ideal gift for both Lego enthusiasts and those who appreciate quirky home decor. Number 5. MEIRUBY Electric Candle Lighter. Never struggle with lighting candles again, even in windy or wet conditions. Our upgraded design ensures reliable ignition every time. Save money and the planet with this rechargeable lighter. One charge replaces hundreds of traditional disposables, making it a smart and sustainable choice. Enjoy up to 600 uses on a single charge. The convenient display shows you the real-time battery volume, so you're never caught off guard. Its slender and elegant design makes lighting candles a breeze. Perfect for daily use and adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This electric lighter is ideal for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthdays, and any occasion. It comes with everything you need to get started. What we like. This electric lighter is designed for convenience and durability. Its windproof and splash-proof features make it reliable in various conditions. If you're looking for a cost-effective and environmentally conscious alternative to traditional lighters, this is a great choice for everyday use. What people say. The Lego candle is a unique and fun addition to any Lego collection. It's a great conversation starter and looks fantastic on a shelf. The build quality is excellent, as expected from Lego. Number 4. Lego Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Inside, you'll find the iconic cafe studio and all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of the show, providing hours of solo or shared fun. Compatible with existing Lego construction toys, bricks, and characters. Let your creativity soar as you build your own unique models and tell new stories. This colorful gift item measures over 4 inches high and 11 inches wide. It's designed to make a big impression, whether displayed in your room or office. What we like. Relive your favorite moments from the classic sitcom with this detailed brick-built Central Perk. It's packed with authentic details and minifigures for immersive role-playing. If you're a die-hard Friends fan looking for a unique display piece or a fun building challenge, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The Lego candle is a unique and fun addition to any Lego collection. It's a great conversation starter and looks impressive on display. The build quality is excellent, as expected from Lego. Number 3. Lego Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this detailed Lego set. It features the iconic glove with all the Infinity Stones and a display stand. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style from Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame. It's a stunning homage to the epic films. This impressive replica features Thanos' gauntlet with movable fingers and vibrant colors. The result is a timeless display piece that stands out. This Lego building set for adults is perfect for office or home decor. It's sure to be the center of attention and draw admiring comments. Looking for an amazing gift? These Lego Marvel collectibles make great presents for any adult or teen. It's an ideal treat for any model-making enthusiast. What we like. Capture the power of the Infinity Saga with this stunning recreation of Thanos' gauntlet. It features movable fingers and vibrant colors, making it a true centerpiece. If you're a Marvel enthusiast or a collector of movie memorabilia, this impressive model is an ideal way to showcase your fandom. What people say. The Lego candle is a unique and fun addition to any Lego collection. It's a great conversation starter and looks impressive on display. The build quality is excellent, as expected from Lego. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to defend the galaxy. Build the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created. This ultimate set is perfect for adult fans and expert builders, offering hours of creative play or display. This incredible model comes with 7,541 pieces and includes 2 sets of minifigures. You'll find classic characters like Han Solo and Princess Leia, alongside newer faces from Episode 7-8. Explore a detailed interior featuring a main seating area, a holographic game table, and an engineering station. The rear compartment even includes the engine room with hyperdrive access. The exterior boasts removable hull panels, a lowering ramp, and a concealed blaster cannon. The cockpit accommodates 4 minifigures and features a detachable canopy. Measuring over 8 inches high, 33 inches long, and 22 inches wide, this impressive model is perfect for display in your home or office. Reveal hidden details like the blaster cannon and special breathing masks. What we like. Embark on an epic building adventure with the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created. This set offers an incredibly detailed interior and exterior, complete with classic and sequel trilogy crews. If you are an expert builder or a dedicated Star Wars fan seeking the ultimate display piece, this is the set for you. What people say. The LEGO candle is a unique and fun addition to any LEGO collection. It's a great conversation starter and looks impressive on display. The build quality is excellent, as expected from LEGO. Number 1. LEGO 40382 Birthday Cake Set. Make every birthday unforgettable with this fun and festive building set. It's the perfect way to add a personal touch to any celebration. Unleash your creativity and construct a vibrant birthday cake piece by piece. With 141 pieces, the possibilities for decoration are endless. This set comes with a special minifigure and a sticker sheet. Personalize it further by adding numbers to commemorate any age. Looking for a unique gift? This building set is a fantastic present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It offers hours of creative fun. Bring joy and excitement to any birthday party with this engaging building experience. It's a delightful way to celebrate milestones. What we like. Celebrate in brick-built style with this festive LEGO birthday set. It includes a minifigure and stickers to personalize your creation. If you're looking for a fun and interactive way to commemorate a birthday, especially for younger builders, this set offers a delightful building experience. What people say. The LEGO candle is a unique and fun addition to any LEGO collection. It's a great conversation starter and looks impressive on a shelf. The build quality is excellent, as expected from LEGO. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.